Today we're going to be talking about how to use the remote for the Infinity Riage X3. First thing you want to do, of course, is to push the chair on. When you turn it on, you're going to see a few different options on the first menu screen. You're going to see the auto programs, manual, 3D massage programs, airbags, the heat, and different settings. When you have a customer come into your location or showroom, you want to first put them in the auto extension program. You want to put auto, okay, and down to extension. You're going to see that the chair is going to start reclining back and putting that customer in the zero gravity position. The auto program will start with a 10-minute interval. You can change this in the settings category for either 10, 20, or 30. Once the chair gets back in the zero gravity position, you're going to see that it is going to start sensing the body. And what that is, it's going to get the correct height of the person in the chair so it can massage them properly. The customer is also going to feel that the foot rollers will activate right away on the bottom of the feet for a reflexology massage, and also full airbag compression in your feet, your arms, your shoulder airbags, and also your buttock region. As you can see, the chair does rock back and forth slowly. It's almost like cradling a baby. Once you have a customer that is, more of a serious buyer and you want to go into customizing the massage, how you would do that is you would hit the menu screen. You want to go down to manual, hit OK, and I normally choose kneading to customize the massage. So I'm going to choose kneading, and it brings you right back to let you know that you are in the kneading as you see in the screen, and it lets you know where the rollers are. So currently the rollers are running up and down this track, which you can see with the green button. You then want to go back to menu, down to manual settings again, and now you want to choose part. And part is where the location of the rollers are going to be. Right now, as you can see, it's on the whole track. It's running up and down from their neck all the way underneath their glutes. Partial is going to stop the rollers where it's at in about a 6 to 8 inch region. I want you to go down to point. So you want to hit point. At this part, you can go back to menu, and you can hit it twice, and it'll bring you back to the main screen. As you can see on the screen, the green light up button there is staying in one location, which means we have it on the point massage. At this point, you can adjust where you want the rollers to concentrate on a specific area by using the up and down roller adjust buttons. I'm going to bring these rolls up to the top of the neck, which is where most customers would like the massage to be. Once you have them comfortably in the customer's position, you can let them know that you can change the intensity of the rollers because of the 3D mechanism. How you would do that is hitting the 3D button here, and you see the indicator on the screen. Right now it's about halfway up. We can hit 3D to go up a little bit more. As you can see, it went to the next red position, and even 3D more, where it can stick out about 5 to 6 inches protruding out towards the body. If it's too much for the customer, you can hit 3D one more time, and it brings it all the way down to the first setting. This is how you're going to be able to control the intensity of the chair for the customer. Now, just to go over the buttons real quick, is the heat. This is where you're going to have heat on or off, and you're going to see that lit up. The feet adjust, bringing it up or down for the customer. And of course, the backrest adjusts. Do they want to sit up straight, or they want to lay more in a zero gravity position? In the menu bar, you can go down to 3D massage, which offers a deep tissue 3D massage, healthy breath, and massage extend. In that, you can also change the force of the massage, meaning the 3Ds. You can have 5 different intensity levels for the 3D rollers between 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can also concentrate on what area you'd like to be at, which is the part. If you want to stay in one location, which is what the point is, or if you'd like to go up to partial or the whole track. Menu is always going to be the button you want to hit to go back to the previous screen. In the airbag location, you can click on airbags and you can decide which airbags you like on, which is the full airbags. You can concentrate just on the arm and shoulders, legs and feet, or the glutes, the buttock region. And within there, you can also change the intensity of the airbags between 1 and 5. In the settings button is where you can change the time intervals. This chair has the option to change it from 10, 20, or 30 minutes. You also have English or Chinese for language choices, and Bluetooth on or off. Having the Bluetooth on is going to allow you to use a MP3 device, your phone or tablet, either Apple or Android, and connect to the chair and be able to play music throughout the chair, and also being able to download the app to control the whole chair without this remote. These are the basic instructions on how to use the Infinity Riage X3 remote. If you do have any questions, please contact us at 603-347-6006 or contact us directly online at www.infinitymassagechairs.com.